Hi, what I'm working on for you today is a mushroom barley soup, or just soup with barley and some vegetables. I already have my pan warming up, but I did the prep first because the video just goes by faster if I do. So you can get any kind of barley at the store. I'm only using 1/8 of a cup because I'm just making a small amount of soup, and it will bulk up, volumize, and you can use rice or pasta, but barley would be more of a whole grain for you. And I have about 1/2 a cup of chopped yellow pepper, about 1/2 a cup of sliced carrot, a heaping cup of sliced mushroom, a cup of green onions, and a can of vegetarian vegetable broth. You can use any kind of broth you like. And I had a cup left over from another recipe, so I'm going to use that too. I have garlic and oregano for spices, but you could use oregano and thyme instead if you like. I'm going to start with a simmer fry of the garlic, onions, and carrots. And I'll do that for a couple of minutes, and then I'll add in, probably have to add in some water, and the mushrooms. Simmer fry that for a bit with the oregano, and then add in all the broth and the barley, and let that cook for like 45 minutes, very slow, very low, and the yellow pepper goes in at the end after the barley's cooked. So, give me a chance to use this new pot my mom bought me for Christmas. Where's my thing? Garlic, onions, and carrots in the pan first. And you could use some kind of white wine too if you like in this dish. So see how long you can go without adding any broth to it or any water. Probably I'll edit this video so that it'll seem like I went boom, 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 but really it's going to take a few minutes for the saute to happen. This is just giving the carrots extra time to cook because the mushrooms won't take long. You would want to simmer fry the carrots and onions for at least 4 minutes, just keeping a little bit of water in the bottom of the pan the whole time. Then go ahead and add the mushrooms. And some oregano. It's the only way I know. Stir that up good. And let it simmer fry for not as long, maybe 2 minutes. And then you can add the broth and the barley, and then go rest and let it cook for a while. Smells good. Alright, so just a couple minutes there to get the mushrooms wilted a bit. And add your broth, which also, depending on what broth you use, also has seasoning to it, so it has a flavor. And your barley. And you don't want it to cook too high because you don't want the broth to evaporate and the barley not cook. I think this will be nice and colorful though. And if you watch my videos and my volumetrics dinners, you know how important color is to me. as color signifies nutritional value. Okay, I'm going to keep it at, right now it's at between medium and low, but I'll check to make sure it's not boiling too heavily. I'm going to go ahead and set my timer 40 minutes. Whoops! I set my microwave, not my timer. Okay. But I'll come check on it too. And I believe we have a yummy soup. After my timer went off, I added my peppers and let it simmer for about 5 more minutes, and it smells and looks wonderful. I'm not sure how much it will make for the calorie content, but I will break that down when I post it. And as I usually say, you're probably reading it while I'm saying it. And I'm going to bring the camera over so you can see it.